have been busy helping to take care of all of the animals. Do you hear that? Do you know what animal is making that sound? Yes, that's right. A cow. Say hello to the cow. Hello, cow. Do you know what sound a cow makes? Yes, that's right. A cow says moo. Can you say moo with me? And the cow, ready? Moo. Great job. Let's head on over into the barn and out to the field to see all of the cows and learn a little bit more about them. Say goodbye to the cow. Bye, cow. Moo. We'll see you in a minute. In the field? Aren't they amazing? Do you know what a cow gives us to drink? Yes, that's right. A cow gives us milk to drink. Do you like to drink milk? Me too. Yummy. Say the numbers and we'll see what's inside. 1. A horse. Neigh. 2. A sheep. Baa. 3. A pig. Oink, oink. 4. A cow. Moo. Whoo-wee! Milking all those cows was a lot of work. I wonder what we're gonna do next. What is that sound? What animal is making that sound? Yes, it's a pig. Say hello to the pig. Hello, pig. What sound does a pig make? Yes, a pig grunts or says oink, oink. Can you oink with me and the pig? Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. That's right. Say goodbye to the pig. Goodbye, pig. Oink, 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 oink. Make some mud for our pig. Here we go. Water and dirt large make mud. Oink, oink, oink. Oh, isn't that nice? Roll in the mud. Whee! Oink, oink, oink. That's so much fun. Nice and cool. Let's give him a mud bath. There we go. Let's give ourselves a mud bath to stay cool. Oh, I'm like a pig. Oink, oink, oink. The mud keeps our friend nice and cool. Do you feel so much cooler? Yes, the pig feels so much cooler after rolling in the mud. Say goodbye to the pig. Bye, pig. We'll see you next time. Oink, oink, oink. Wow, so far we've seen a cow and a pig on the farm. Do you remember the sounds that the cow and the pig make? Let's use our toy to help us remember. Where is the cow? There it is. Let's point to the cow. What does the cow say? Let's see if you're right. Cow. Yes, you're right. A cow says moo. What about a pig? Let's find our pig. There it is. Point the arrow to the pig. What does a pig say? Let's see if you're right. The pig says, you're right. A pig grunts and says, oink, oink. Great job. Working on the farm is so much fun. I get to work with animals like Zelda here. Do you know what type of animal Zelda is? Yes, that's right. Zelda is a chicken. And female chickens or girl chickens are called hens. Do you know what hens give us to eat? Yes, that's right. Hens give us eggs to eat. And chickens hatch from eggs just like Zelda did when she was smaller. Speaking of chickens, we better head on over to the chicken coop to check to see if the hens have laid any eggs today. Let's go. Say bye, Zelda. Bye, Zelda. Hey friends, let's head on over to the coop to check to see if the hens have laid any eggs. Come on. Look, the hens have laid some eggs. Let's count them. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. There are 5 eggs. Let's put them in my blue basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 eggs. chickens come in all different sizes and colors, like this one. This is Sally. Sally is a red hen. Say hello to Sally. Hi, Sally. Isn't she beautiful? Speaking of red hens, have you heard the story of the Little Red Hen? This is the story of the Little Red Hen and the grain of wheat. The Little Red Hen was in the farmyard with her chicks looking for something to eat. She found some grains of wheat and she said, "Cut, cut, cut-a-cut. These grains of wheat I'll sow. The rain and warm spring sunshine will surely make them grow. Now who will help me sow the wheat?" "Not I," said the duck. Quack, quack. "Not I," said the mouse. Squeak, squeak. "Not I," said the pig. Oink, oink. "Then I'll sow it myself," said Little Red Hen. When the grain had grown up tall and was ready to cut, Little Red Hen said, "Cut, cut, cut, cut-a-cut. I'll cut, cut, cut this grain. It's nodding ripe and golden from days of sun and rain. Now who will help me cut the wheat?" "Not I," said the duck. Quack, quack. "Not I," said the mouse. Squeak, squeak. "Not I," said the pig. Oink, oink. "Then I'll cut it myself," said Little Red Hen. And she did. When the wheat was cut, Little Red Hen said, "Cut, cut, cut, cut-a-cut. It's time to thresh the wheat. Each little grain so precious, from out of the chaff I'll beat. Now who will help me thresh the wheat?" "Not I," said the duck. Quack, quack. "Not I," said the mouse. Squeak, squeak. "Not I," said the pig. Oink, oink. "Then I'll thresh it myself," said Little Red Hen. When the wheat was threshed, Little Red Hen said, "See where the windmill's great long arms go whirling round and round? I'll take this grain straight to the mill. To flour it shall be ground." Gluck, gluck. "Who will help me carry the grain to the mill?" "Not I," said the duck. Quack, quack. "Not I," said the mouse. Squeak, squeak. "Not I," said the pig. Oink, oink. "Then I'll carry it myself," said the Little Red Hen. When the wheat was ground, Little Red Hen said, "I've sowed and reaped and threshed, gluck, gluck. I've carried to the mill, and now I'll bake a loaf of bread with the greatest care and skill. Who will help me bake the bread?" "Not I," said the duck. Quack, quack. "Not I," said the mouse. Squeak, squeak. "Not I," said the pig. Oink, oink. "Then I'll bake it myself," said Little Red Hen. When the bread was baked, Little Red Hen said, "Cluck, cluck, cluck, cluck. The bread is done. It's light and sweet. Now, who will come and help me eat?" "I will," quacked the duck. Quack, 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 quack. "I will," squeaked the mouse. Squeak, 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 squeak. "I will," grunted the pig. Oink, 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 oink. "No, you won't," said Little Red Hen. "Did you help me sow and cut and thresh? Did you help me carry and bake? No, you didn't. So you shall not help me eat. My chicks will help me do that." And they did. puzzle. Can you guess what animal we're going to learn about next? I'll give you a hint. It's what is on my puzzle. Let me build it with you. The animal we're going to learn about next is white. And the animal that we're going to learn about next says bah. Do you know what animal is white and black and says bah? Any guesses? No, it's not a cow. Yes, that's right. We're going to learn about a sheep. Sheep say bah. Can you say bah with me? And the sheep? Bah, bah. Sheep need haircuts just like we do. A sheep's hair is called wool, and farmers use shears to gently cut the wool off of a sheep. It doesn't hurt them. It's just like when we get a haircut. It doesn't hurt us either. Sheep's wool can be used to make clothing like these socks. Sheep's wool is very warm. It can be made into sweaters and even blankets. Let's head on over into the barn and help shear a sheep. We have been learning about lots of farm animals today and the sound that they make. Let's learn a few more animals and their sounds. Do you know what a horse says? Nay? Let's see if you're right. Horse. Yes, a horse says neigh. Let's try. Oh, a rooster. A rooster is a male or boy chicken. Let's see what the rooster says.
The rooster says,
Oh, that was a neat sound. What about a turkey? Do you know what a turkey says? Gobble, gobble, gobble. Let's see if you're right.
turkey.
Oh, that was a fun sound. Can you gobble? Gobble, 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 gobble. Oh, let's try another one. What about a goat? What does the goat say?
The goat says,
Bah, that sounded a lot like the sheep. Let's try one more. Do you know what a duck says? Quack, quack, quack. Let's see if you're right.
duck.
Yes, a duck says quack, quack, quack. That was so much fun. We have been learning about so many different animals and they are all amazing. The next animal that we're going to learn about is on this puzzle. Do you have any guesses? Let's build it together and see if you can figure it out. I'll give you a hint. This animal starts with the letter D. D says D. Any guesses? You're close. This animal says quack, quack. Any guesses yet as to what you think the animal is? This animal can be white, or yellow, or black, or gray. It can be many different colors. This animal also can swim and it can fly. Do you know what it is? Yes, you're right. This animal is a duck. Ducks say quack, quack, quack. Can you say quack? Great job. Let's go to the pond and learn about ducks. Hello, little learners. Today we're at the pond with Mother Duck and we're singing about her 5 little ducklings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother Duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only 4 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother Duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only 3 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3. Will you sing with me? 3 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother Duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only 2 little ducks came back. 1, 2. 2 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother Duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only 1 little duck came back. 1. 1 little duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother Duck said, quack, 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 quack. And all of her ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the ducks are back. Thanks for singing with me, little learners.